Hello, today I'll be showing you my game.
Will you come look at my video to see if it looks alright? Okay.
Last class she showed us her video of her talking into the mic and giving directions. It was awkward. And I was like, wow, do we really have to do that? And so I was like, you know what, okay, why not? Oh, it seems that I don't know how to get to my project. Oh, never mind, whoop-de-doo, here we are. Okay. As you can see, I'm Nitsuwa, and today I'm here to teach you the parts of the computer. Click start to continue. My own personally made character. Yes?
Publishing.
Oh my.
Are you done?
No, I'm recording right now.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
Oh.
And after you learn all the parts of the computer, you'll take a
Why are
quiz
you
to
doing
test
this?
if you've been paying attention.
Read.
Don't get one wrong or else.
Or else.
Due to copyright reasons, I was not allowed to use SpongeBob, so I made my own, Sponge Robert. And here you can see amazing graphics I did with the arrows. Such precision and speed.
Karen,
Amazing.
You see a minute long, you're at 1:30 already. You failed.
I know,
Why does your arrow not work?
because I didn't make it go to the next screen
Karen,
yet.
you need to hurry up.
Okay.
It needs to turn into